Hello student, today's topic is regular expression. So as we know, the set of the string accepted by finite automata is known as regular language. But how can we set the operator for that language? So using set of the operator we can describe this language in compact form. So operators are, first of all we write out here definition. The set of string accepted by finite automata is known as regular language. Okay, but how we define the compact form using some operators, set of operators. So there are some set of operators. First one, union operator, which write like plus union operator. Second one is concatenation operator, symbol is dot. Concatenation operator. Third one is closure operator, star, or it's called closure operator. Okay, so now there are some basics expression for basics operations on a regular expression. So let's do that. Regular expression for some basics language. And final one is automata on regular expression. Okay, so first one is automata, which you are starting which in circle this is a starting state, but is a final state which is around by double circle. It shows by the in language is a epsilon. The regular expression is equal to epsilon. Okay, second one is your starting state with your final state with a input, final state coming on a input. So your basic language is a, and automata is regular expression for only a. Third one is inputs a and b. So regular expression automata is starting state with a input with b input, final coming on a and b input. So for basic language a on b, and here automata for a regular expression a plus b. Now look here, there is some regular expression for regular expression of automata. This is your starting state with your self state. This is called self state. You know already, final state with the self state. So the basic language epsilon a comma a. So how can we define that? Automata is a regular expression of a star or a closure. So when your inputs is come with several times, in come after that a so on, so it shows that a raised to epsilon. So a closure, this is denoted by a closure. Okay, when second one, look at here, a when your starting state with come is here and your final state is here. So how can it shows? It shows like this. When it comes to a with b input, a b A, C, A. Then how is your regular expression? Write it here. A B, B A plus C A. This is your regular expression for this automata. Okay, let's see the actual example. So this is your sigma. Sigma, which means whenever language which talks about that given having an input a symbol A and B. So write down here language. Our language is AA. So first of all, I want to find out regular expression for set of all string whose length is exactly 2. We previously saw that example. So which length have to only 2. So write down here whose length is exactly 2. So what are our language? Language is AA, AB, BA, BB. Okay, this is all our set all strings set of all strings over sigma A and B. So what is our regular expression? Call that. First one, there are many ways we can define that, but let's see first way. So here we start. Since the language is finite, always remember that your language is finite always, because finite they are definitely finite automata. What is regular expression? Call that. So there are multiple ways we can define. So one way is, since the language is finite, always remember that whenever language is finite, is definitely finite automata and regular expression. It also be possible. So its simplest way, RE, what is could be the take every string only union, apply union. Okay, so take each and every string with an union. So can we write it here? A plus AB. A. Its union is a symbol AB. Then BA. Then union BB. Since the language is union, it's finite. The regular expression is simply union for all those. Okay. So this is your first one. How can I next write second one? Second one is AA. Okay. Sorry. A plus B plus A plus B. Correct. Then where is your A go? A, and where is your B go? Here, B. So we can solve this like this. A plus B into A plus B concatenate. We apply here concatenate operator, A plus B. Right? This one is a finite language and this is a regular expression.